day, students. You are all welcome to class. Today we are looking at the topic storage and preservation of food. Remember, this is a revision to prepare you for the forthcoming examination. We are to define food spoilage and we are to state causes of food spoilage. We are to classify food into three based on their moisture content and highlight reasons for preserving food. Also, we are to enumerate principles underlying food preservation and factors to consider before preserving food. And lastly, we are to discuss methods of food preservation. What is food spoilage? Food spoilage simply refers to the undesirable changes that takes place in food, which eventually leads to rejection and wastage of food. Any undesirable changes that occurs in a raw food or cooked food that makes the food unacceptable is what's referred to as food spoilage. And what are the causes of food spoilage? We have 5 actions of microorganisms. Microorganisms can lead to food spoilage. Microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast, and molds. We have insects, food enzymes, chemical reactions in the food, and physical changes it can be due to freezing, burning, drying, or pressure. Okay, we classify food into 3 based on their moisture content. Remember, we have perishable food. Perishable food because of their high water content. A good example, we have milk, meat, seafood, fruits, and vegetables. Then we have semi-perishable food or intermediate moisture food. They have lower moisture content, but they still have some residual water in them. A good examples are vegetables and tubers. Then we have non-perishable food. Non-perishable food, they don't have high moisture content. The food can stay for a long period of time. Examples are nuts like granules and others. Then we have dried legumes, and we also have cereals. Okay, why do we have to preserve our food? Number 1, to prolong its shelf life so that the food will stay for a long period of time. Number 2, to avoid wastage so that the food will not waste. Number 3, to allow food in off-season to be used. Then to have a variety of food available at home. Then to introduce variety into the family menu. Alright, principles underlying food preservation. What are those principles why do we preserve our food? What are the main reasons for preserving food? Number 1 is to destroy microorganisms. To make the microorganism inactive in the food. Number 2, to prevent their entrance into the food. Then to arrest the actions of food enzymes. Then to arrest or prevent purely chemical reactions in the food. We have further information in the classroom. Thank you all.